This is June with New Orleans Potions, and I'm going to show you how to make Mardi Gras green. This is one of 3 eyeshadows from my Mardi Gras collection, purple, green, and gold. And this is done with a DIY base that you make yourself. And so in the directions, I will give you complete recipe of how to make your base itself. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put 3 smidgens of your loose base. That's 1, 2, and 3. And then the next thing we're going to put is we're gonna put 1 tad of cerussite mica, and this is the actual bag that it comes in from TKB Trading. So we're gonna put, let's see, just 1 tad. Okay. And then the next thing we are going to put your color. So this is my mix forest green that I get from TKB Trading. Okay, and so we're going to put 2 tads of this. Okay, that's 1 and 2. Okay, and you'll notice that my hands are full of color. I don't like to wear gloves when I make my videos, so I always keep my 91% alcohol. I get this from the drugstore. It cleans your hands, cleans your jars before you put product in it. It also cleans my blender cup. So I always use that, and I always keep lots of paper towels around for cleaning. So once we've put the ingredients in here, that's the recipe. It's very quick and easy. The hardest part is blending and making your base. It's really not hard. It's just putting all your ingredients together, and you have to actually blend that for 4 minutes. Okay, so we're only going to blend this for about 15 seconds. Okay, that's blended. And so what you're going to do now is I usually tap the side just to knock the extra down, but also too, it's very important to wear your mask from beginning to end, because you don't want to breathe the dust that comes from the mica powders. Mostly the mica powders and the minerals are very lightweight. Pigments as well, but not as much as the mica powder. So you can see a little bit of smoke come out of that, and that's what that's from. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is, this is a 3-gram jar. I'm going to put 2 tads in there, and that will actually fill the jar. Depends on how you want to sell them, or if you're just making them for yourself, it doesn't matter. But I usually retail them in a 5-gram jar. So that's that, like how it looks in the jar. Let's see, I'll show you. And then I'm going to put some on my arm so you can see how it looks on my, to see the actual color eyeshadow. And that is Mardi Gras green. So once I finish this and I've put it in here, I'm going to take the rest out, and I'm going to write on this little bag, which I get these are just vitamin bags. I'm going to write on there, and I'm going to put the extra in there for later. Okay, this is Mardi Gras green loose eyeshadow.